training segment. So I will be going over how to split your screen. This is splitting your screen with the applications that are pre-downloaded to the panel or in addition to via Play Store. So there are two ways to access the split screen feature. So one being, I can go all the way to the right side of my board and go to the square that's at the bottom right. And this is going to open all of my previous opened applications and feeds right here. And at the very bottom, it's going to ask if I want to split my screen. So I can split here. And right on the right side of the board, that's going to highlight what I've selected. And I can select, I'll go to whiteboard. So I have my whiteboard open on the left side of the screen and my Chrome browser on the right. If I'm teaching on one side of the class or one side of the panel and I don't want to walk all the way over, the nice part about this is this white bar that's in the center of the screen. If I double tap on that, that's going to reverse the view. So it's going to be easier for students as well as teachers.